An embroidery design is a combination of outline and field stitch, which is field objects. We can call the two as embroidery elements. Outline and field stitch are two main components of any embroidery designs. Line and outline, a line or set of line enclosing or indicating the shape of an object. In some cases, we can use line as manual connectors or using line and outline as details to our designs. You can create outline with the tool Digityrant, Digitile Open Shape, Column C, Freehand Open Shape. There are more than 15 types of outline in general, but 100 in style. Depending on your need to find a suitable one, you can change outline type with outline toolbar and object properties. We have outline type bed ones. We have outline run here. We usually use this type of outline as manual connectors. We have sculpture here. We have triple and backstage. As you can see, the weight of the four outline type are different, from lighter to heavier. Next, we have outline type bed 2. We have stamp stitch here. We have motif effect with many options and patterns. We have satin outline. We usually use satin as outline of the designs. We have satin right here. This effect adheres by overlapping itself with stitch. Pop up on the fabric like 3D platform embroideries. This effect rate higher than normal satin effects. Unfortunately, satin outline are more stable for common uses. Next, we have outline type batteries. First, we have zigzag outline. We have e-stitch. We have tatami and program split. I barely use tatami outlines. I don't use this because it has more stitch count than satin outline. Tatami is only suitable at few effects for big objects. Outline type platforms. We have square. We have coins. Next is contour outline here. We don't usually use this type of outlines. Run and satin outline are the most two common types that we use for almost every design. Run and satin are two outline styles which we use most of the times. Run as connectors and satin as outline decoratives. While using run outline as connectors, there is no settings that need to be adjusted. While using satin as decorative outline, there are some settings which can be adjusted to match your preference or design details. Setting can be adjusted in object properties. Under Special tab, we can adjust selected column width. 0.5 mm is the smallest width that most of embroidery machine can do to provide an average result. Starting from 1 mm and higher is safe option for column width, and my recommendation is around 1.5 mm to 2 mm for high quality result. Anything from 3 mm to 7 mm is optional and should be based on your designs and preference. For a durable and usable design with high width column, make sure you check on auto split under outline tab. I have made a table indicating relationship between width and its effect to find the result. This is a satin width chart. As you can see here, we have 0.5 millimeters, 1 millimeters, 1.5 and 2 millimeters. 1.5 is the minimum which we should aim for. Other than that, we have 3 millimeters, 5 millimeters, 7 and 7 with split option here. There is a light split in the middle of this stage. We can still go higher than this with split option, but without split option, 7 millimeters should be the maximums. My recommendation is using from 1.5 to 2 millimeters for the outline. Sometimes we can use 3 millimeters or higher as the requirement of the designs. I don't recommend using 0.5 for it unstable stitches. zero point 0.5 with E equal to 1 outline, run, backstage, or triple. This is the end for this lesson theoreticals, and we are going to have our first practice with digital run tool. Please check out resources to download the file, and I will see you in the next videos. Goodbye.